to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at some of the alignment options that we have in Excel. Now we have this spreadsheet, and you can see that not all of the data is visible because the information is too big to fit in the cell, as you can see, especially in my address column. So there are a couple of things we can do to fix this. The first one is from the Home tab, in the Alignment group, let's first click on a cell, select a cell. Okay, from the Alignment group, we're looking for a button called Shrink to Fit. If you don't see it here, you can click on the Launch button. And here it is, Shrink to Fit. Select that and OK. Now, you see what happened here? It shrank my text so it would fit within the column. Now, if I were to narrow the column even more, the text shrinks even more. It's a very useful tool. Now, I only applied it to one of the cells. If I wanted to apply it to the whole column, I would simply select the whole column. And again, from the Launch button in the Alignment settings, Shrink to Fit and OK. You see? Of course, now my font size is not even, but all the information is visible. Okay, so let's undo these changes. Okay, and let's take a look at another option. Another option is, again from the Alignment group, Wrap Text. Let's click on it and see what happens. See, now what happened is that the Wrap Text button made my cell taller and used multiple lines for my information so they could be visible. Of course, this works better with text rather than numbers because you wouldn't want a very large number in multiple lines. The downside is that this takes up more vertical space. Let's undo again and take a look at another option. Instead of wrapping text, another option could be to use this orientation button. So by clicking on the orientation button, you have a selection. You can change the orientation of your text. So you can do angle counterclockwise. You can do, let's select it again. You can do vertical. Of course, it takes up a lot of vertical space. You can rotate text up. You can rotate text down. So you could choose any orientation from the orientation button. Undo. Okay, and so all these are apart from the column width settings that we had talked about in the first video. So simply by double clicking here in between the columns, the column width is adjusted so that all the data is visible. Now all the data is visible. So I hope you find these alignment settings useful. That is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.